Hello YouTube, my name is Brian and I'm going to start a little YouTube channel here. So currently I'm converting an old cargo van into a motorhome. I just picked it up the other day, I'm getting started on it, and I figured I'd document that, put it on the internet, see if people are interested. Alright, so I bought this van yesterday. Here she is in all her glory. She's a little rough around the edges. That's how I like them. Battery's dead. Perfect. Maybe I left the lights on. Let's see. That's probably the issue. Ah, used cars. Let's see. There's some precision tools here. Let's see what I can find. There we go. See if that worked. Voila. Yeah, she's a beaut. 03 Chevy Express and single wheel box van. I'm going to convert this into a little motorhome, and then yeah, and then use it. So I like, it's got these here, which is what I'm looking for. I thought this was a better deal than the roll-up doors for what I'm going to do. Tons of room in here. Got the side door. Yeah, I'm excited. She needs some TLC. Oh, that's locked. It's got the Primo paint up here. Oh yeah. Oh, I love that. Chevy white. Primo seat. That thing's sick. Look at this reverse camera. That's from the era. All the gauges, all that jazz. AC works. Okay, so first thing I'm gonna do on this turd is this driver's seat is clapped out, man. So I'm gonna see if maybe, I'm not sure, maybe there's just unbolts down here. Maybe I can switch it with the passenger seat. I'm not sure, but I'm gonna attempt it. Okay, so I think I'm gonna pull the seats off the brackets. I think that'll work. There's like a couple bolts, one there, which you can't see because of light, etc., etc. Pretty simple. Yeah, Florida van on its way. Let's see if we can get you in here. I don't know if you can see that, but oops, probably help if I didn't tighten it up. So I bought this thing down in Florida near Tampa. I've been looking for one of these for pretty intensely for a few months, and kind of nonchalantly for about just shy of, well, about 3 years really. And things finally worked out, timing wise, money wise, and finding one at a price that was in my budget. Okay, so here's like the seat and whatnot, driver's side, inside. It's up under here. Can you see that? I can't see shit. Hey, there. There, you see it? That's fine. Okay, from the back seems to be the best. How's that? Can you see what I'm doing? I don't know. Am I tightening this damn thing? Yeah, I am. Right. Tighten. Yes. Fuck. I can't remember. There we go. Just, you know, go till it breaks or it feels like it comes loose. And one of them is correct and the other one will work as well. Just not as good. Okay. I do believe it's free. Get out of here. Oh. Cable. Okay. That is nasty. But I'm just going to put the seat in for now. And we'll deal with cleaning this shit later. This whole thing needs to be blown apart and deep cleaned. There's a lot to come. That's me. So yeah, that's the shadow. That's the driver's seat. That's the passenger. And swap-a-ruby, here we go. Let's see how this works. Let's see if I can do this. You're good. You're going for a ride. Let's see. Like lightweight race seats, bro. Ooh. Let's see. Tell me what you can see. Okay, done, installed. This driver, I mean, shit, when we were a kid, we just threw a bucket on the floor and went to town. This is like high class. Okay, I'll bolt this in. Okay. It's in. It's bolted down. Went in, took a little finagling, but oh yeah. Slides back and forth. Oh, that is so much better. All right, so I bought this van in Florida, and you know, Florida's kind of a weird place, but it's where the van is. So I thought I should try to get something, you know, just a little something down here while I'm here, just to kind of represent where it came from. And I found these at a thrift store. I thought they're kind of cool. I think they're a coaster. I feel like I can get the cork off the back of these and then integrate them. Well, like that one's got Honu. Integrate them as tile somewhere, you know, in the kitchen or in the shower or something like that. I think that'd be kind of cool. I got 4 packs of them and I believe they're all the same. So maybe I could do like a little pattern, but I just like the, yeah, you know, some color and ocean. Okay, so something I probably should have checked out sooner. This thing doesn't have any tail lights. So, some solo cups, some flashlights, some Gorilla Tape. Not that junky duct tape, the real stuff. Yeah, we're good to go. That's legit. Legal? Yeah, I'm legal. The brake lights work, the blinkers work, so I'm not worried about that. Just no tail lights. What do you think of this turd? Okay guys, this is Brian, and that's it for part 1 on our budget van. Budget van. I just walked into the van. Budget van build. So yeah guys, stay tuned. We're going to be doing a bunch more of this kind of stuff. This van's a pretty big project, so I'll be on this for a while. Check back in, subscribe, do the bell. Where is that? Is that over here? do the bell, the dingy ding, the winger, the dinger, all that stuff. Write in a little comment if you feel like it. Let me know how dumb you think I am or how awesome. Up to you. I don't care. But I hope you guys have a great day. Till I see you next time. Aloha.